Alright, this is a Poseidon Ponds and Landscaping Project Showcase video, and this is our AquaBasin Spillway Bowl combo. So here underneath you have your AquaBasin sitting underneath the larger Spillway Bowl, and up on some pedestals there you've got your smaller Spillway Bowl. That's with the spillway there. So we have an AquaBasin 45 under here, and we have an Aquascape Ultra 2000 pump that is feeding both the upper bowl and the lower bowl here. The upper bowl obviously is being fed straight from underneath and feeds into the larger bowl, and then right in the center there you can see the water coming out and spilling over this larger bowl back down into the basin itself. This water feature also came with an additional enhancement of the jasper lite boulders. So right here we have about a half ton of jasper lite boulders. You can tell how much character that adds to this feature itself. And then we added some hosta. We got two different varieties. We have Halcyon and then Krossa Regal in the back. One other additional enhancement on this feature is a compact fill valve. And the compact fill valve will help keep the AquaBasin full of water during times of dryness. And then also this one is, well, I shouldn't say also, but this one is designed for birds to jump in. So this lower bowl here, we just completed this project. That's why you see a little bit of the murkiness. But the birds are going to get in and splash around in this bowl. We filled it with rock to a depth where they can get in and do that, where the upper bowl itself actually doesn't have any water itself sitting in there. So this is the Titan Fountainscape Spillway Bowl option, and this is designed for small spaces, but in this case it fit perfect for this outside area to help drown out a little bit of the road noise in the background, but add some very cool ambiance, and also be a place where the birds could spend lots of time. So again, the Poseidon Project Showcase. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you need more information, please get a hold of us at 734-726-5061 or reach us at our website, www.poseidonponds.com.